Very dark man, the activist. Let me tell you, it's very funny. It's very, very funny. I see very dark man. I was watching him. He was literally begging his oppressor, you know, begging him to help him or help the Nigerian youth. It is very funny. Anyway, I don't want to talk about the one they call Lege Miami. Lege Miami is a Yoruba guy, and that is a replica of a Yoruba person. This is the way they operate. You understand? What Yoruba stands for is when someone is in position of chopping, the way they call Nigerians, when you are chopping like a politician, we are in a best position where they are looting. They will rally around you. No matter what you do, you are never wrong. You will never be wrong. So they will always be by you. A kind of sycophant. I mean, kind of sucking you, whatever they will get, the crops that they're going to get around you. That is what is going on. But I can see, you equally saw that for me, very dark man was begging Seyi Tinubu to help him and the Nigerian youths to talk to his daddy, to place the Nigerian youths where they are supposed to be. I don't know what he meant by that. You see, very dark man, I've always told you, you don't beg people to do what is right. You make them to see what is right and do it. Let me tell you, if you're an activist, activists don't beg. If you're a content creator, that is a different thing. Do you get what I'm saying? But you went to China, according to you, and you got your mind blown away. Just China, you went to China. You haven't been to other places. Let me tell you one thing. The last thing Seyi Tinubu will do is to go and talk to his daddy to correct Nigeria, and he has no singular right and that power. Even his father has not such power to change the Nigerian situation. You can see it. How long has he been in power? And nothing has changed. And according to you, he said Seyi Tinubu is the first youth to be closer to the power. You are totally wrong. Obasanjo had youth, children who were youth. Jonathan had, Buhari had. Do you get what I'm saying? All these guys you are talking about, Babangida equally had. You get my, oh, he has as well. Do you get what I'm saying? So don't go there that Seyi Tinubu is the only one closest to power. That is for what you know. You have to speak about what you know. I don't believe in that. But I keep telling you that fixing this country is not about attacking one or two persons. That can never change or change the narrative. Let me tell you one single truth. Very dark man. Listen, you went to China. Exactly what is going on in China is going on in the East. Have you been to Ariaria, Abba? Have you been to Ariaria and see the clothes, the fashion line that is done in Aba is done nowhere, no other place. I can bet you all these big names you see, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, all of them, just name all of them. They have been done in Malaysia. Yes, many of those clothes were sold in Malaysia and all those developing third world countries. But go to Aba and see things by yourself. The narrative they have sold to you people is that the Igbo man, 1966 coup was Igbo man, and that Igbo people are the problem of Nigeria, and you people are living with that trash and that fallacies, those buncoms. You've been living with such negative attributions against the God's own people, people who are smart, people who are entrepreneurs, people who are industrious, people whose reasons faster than anything. Go to the East and see, you can see several inventions. Where are your government? You are begging Seyi Tinubu to go and beg his father. What can his father do? What can Tinubu do? To fix what? If you want to become a politician like you are asking him to introduce the youth, tell us that you want Seyi to introduce you to his father. so that they will equally do what they want to do for Seyi Tinubu to you. Because I see you are hungry of power. You want to become a politician. I can see it. I've seen everything already. I'm just waiting to see the end. That's all I'm waiting for. Seyi Tinubu, the family have already groomed him to keep the family dynasty, Tinubu dynasty. Now, they're putting him to become the governor of Lagos State. Are you not aware about that? And I can prophesy to him that he cannot win Lagos State unless they rig it for him. Normal voting, Seyi Tinubu cannot even get 20% of the vote. Quote me anytime. He cannot win Lagos State if it is not rigged for him. So is it the person you are telling to introduce you to his father? That is what you are saying. Let me tell you, let me shock you. Seyi Tinubu is even struggling to help himself to become whatever he wants to become. Talk more of introducing you to his daddy to do what? The Igbos, whom you know, they are the Chinese of Africa. You are not talking about. Let me tell you, as an activist, during Obasanjo, they spent $16 billion for power, electricity. I don't know where the money is. During all of them, Babangida, Buhari, Jonathan, even this Tinubu. If you know the amount of money they have spent on electricity, brother, you will shed tears. What you are seeing today is nothing. What you have gone to China to see is nothing. Go to Vietnam, go to Singapore, then your eyes will get more clearer. Go to Japan, then you will have more sense and more knowledge. Do you get what I'm saying? You don't beg these people. That is the funny mistake you are making. Unless something is cooking, you don't beg these people. I've told you. You bring out your force when you are collecting somebody who is defrauded $1 million, 1 million naira. That is nowhere to show your power. Where you must show your power is in policies from the senators and the lawmakers and even the executive. That is where I am expecting you to show all your massive muscle and power. Without that, you are doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Quote me, because I've always told you, listen, if you want to become a politician, come out. Already you have made name, people will vote you. But telling me that you want to go and start to beg Seyi Tinubu, to do what? Why are you begging your oppressors? Don't you know that these guys are the same? You don't know? Look at during the Babangida book launch, he launched last time, crop of coup plotters, all of them, they gathered together. They didn't even think of the people they eyed unalived during those coups. They never thought of those people. The only man I respect in that launch book was Osibanjo, even though he was among the people that destroyed the last regime. He served under Buhari. If he was not comfortable with what Buhari was doing, he would have resigned. But he stood till after 8 years. That's the area I have problem with him. But if you listen to what he said during the book launch, you will see that he's not a happy man. You will see that he's not happy with those people he sat down with. Babangida was there. Jonathan was there. Obasanjo was there. Gowon was there. He narrated all of them. And he showed them how empty they were. After buying people, plotting coup, executing people, and they are now coming together to become friends and laugh together. And we, the poor and useless masses, we are still begging them. Seyi Tinubu, don't you know that Tinubu was among the people who did everything when he was a senator, and they sent him on exile? You are not aware. Then they brought him back and compensated him now to become the president. You don't know? You want me to be the one to tell you. Very dark man, stop begging your oppressors and do activism the way it should be done. Meet me in comment section if you are not happy with what I said. Thank you.